Hi, my name is Gregory Coburn, and I am a co-founder of CLG Systems, otherwise known as OurOMC. CLG Systems is our company. OurOMC is the name of the product. Um, it's a product for owner management companies to help owner management companies to operate more effectively. It all came about. I've been creating software for many years. About 30 years ago, myself and Kieran worked together. We used to create accounts packages for small business. And then I went off to work for large American corporations all over the world, some very large systems. Was quite successful with that, and I took early retirement. Um, and unfortunately, COVID came along and I was locked away with nothing better to do than wonder about how owner management companies worked. And as I discovered how owner management companies worked and how they were organized, and discovered that there was no systems available that were designed for owner management companies, I rang my old friend Kieran and said, I think we've got an issue here. Is there any chance you could give us a big, powerful computer that I could use to start writing some software? And I wrote some software to help my own owner management company to manage the communications. And that's grown into a reasonably comprehensive system now that handles most of the needs for an owner management company, as well as the needs for the agent in terms of what they might need to do and what they might need to see within the system, how everybody works together. So without further ado, let me see if I can share my screen, and we'll give you a demonstration of how this works and why it's special, why we need special software for owner management companies. So here we are in the system, um, and it's a modern system. Hope you like how it looks. If you don't, you can change the color schemes around as well if you like, and make it look a little bit better. And the system will actually work reasonably well for you if you're on your mobile phone as well, and of course on your tablets and things like that. It all works pretty well. Um, what is it that's special about an owner management company? Why can't we use a standard account system for owner management companies? And really, it's the number of different people who are involved with the running of an owner management company. In the list we've got here, we've got the system admin, we've got residents who need to get information from the system about what the house rules are and stuff like that. And the owners who need to see a bit more information about what their service charges are, and make their payments on their service charges and so on. Owner occupiers who are both residents and owners. Directors need to see a lot more, need to be able to see their documentation, the contracts that were involved in, the details of the accounts, approved payments, and so on. And of course, the agent who will be the person who can do the day-to-day work. Most OMCs today will outsource their work to agents. This software is not intended to usurp the role of an agent. It's intended to be complementary to what an agent do and help agents to be more effective. You also have your accountant and your maintenance staff that might want to have access in there as well. And when we click on these, we can see that we've got a fairly sophisticated permissions model. You can see I've got a lot of options in the menu here, different things that I can do because I'm logged in here as a system admin, and a system admin has loads of privileges. System admin's allowed to do everything, of course. But we can customize these and we can turn these on and off so that we can control who can perform the important functions and who can see the important screens in the system. So, for example, if I'm logged into the system as an owner, I don't see all of these options. I only see what's relevant to me. Posts with information, votes, requests, documents, what the budget looks like, the details about my unit. I don't get to see everything. I only see what's pertinent to what it is that I do. I'm switching here between the name of an agent. We've got the agent perspective in here as well. And then the agent is permitted to switch into the different companies, and then we can specify for the companies the different permissions. Now, this all looks a little bit complicated. Don't panic. We help you set this up once, and then it just runs. But what I'm showing you here is really that we can make sure that everybody has access to the system and that everybody's able to see the right data at the right time. A resident might have quite limited access to the system, but we can control what the residents can see, what the owners can see, what the directors can see, and make that sure that that works for everybody. It's not just which screens, we've also got our concept of channels. An important concept for us is that when we post, when we communicate, that we can do that through channels, and we can create channels through which we can share our communications and share our documents. And that's really the key to what makes OurOMC special. It's a modern system that will fulfill all your requirements as an OMC, but make sure that the right people can see the right data at the right time, so that people can work together effectively, and that we have collaboration and we don't have duplication, and that things can be run on an efficient basis. So that's basically what we do. That'll do for an introduction. We'll take a small pause now, and we're going to do a few more videos that will describe the features in a little bit more detail. And we'd love to hear from you. Contact us on the website OurOMC.ie. That's OurOMC.ie, and you'll get to maybe get yourself set up for a demo of the system personally, or you might come to think about joining us. Thanks for watching, and we'll hopefully see you for the next session. Thanks a lot.